Ready to move the files that I backed up onto my external drive that I have right here onto my new device, my new computer. So once again, I am going to open up Finder and then open up the external drive. All right, so here it all is. And I'm just going to go back to my columns view right here. Now, once again, when you start your new Mac, you may not see the movies or the pictures folder. And so once again, I'll just remind you that you go to Finder, go to Settings, click on the sidebar, and just make sure that you have movies and pictures selected there, and then you'll see them. And now it's just a matter of opening the folders here. So I'm going to go to my documents here. And on the external drive, these are my documents here. And I'll just grab them and drag them over. And so it'll make that copy again. I'll do the same thing with that downloads folder. Did I have anything in my downloads? Oh, I didn't, but I did have on my desktop. So now I'll go to my desktop. And again, just grab that, drag it, and so it's copied onto my desktop. Now when it comes to the photos or the images, so I'll go into my pictures, and on your new device there will be a library that already exists, but it has nothing in it because this is your new computer. So I'm going to take that one and I am just going to delete it. And now I'm going to go to where I have my new pictures, and here's that photo library. And I am going to install it or move it on over. So now it's in my pictures library. So I've essentially moved everything over. Now with photos, the one thing that we want to do is want to just make sure that everything's there. So I'm just going to open my photos. And it's going to import everything over. Now you may be asked to browse to the library, in which case you just click on browse and then just find it. But here you can see there is my photos library. The other thing that you may need to do the first time you try to open it, it may say that you need to do an update, in which case you'll go into your settings and go into your software updates. And this is an update, not an upgrade, which is different. You're not upgrading the operating system. You need to scroll all the way down. And down here, down at the bottom, you'll see something that says more information for other updates. And you may need to perform these updates before the library can be installed for your images. And you'll just install that now. So there you go.